Every Kawasaki Ninja H2R starts with the finest raw materials. The frame is meticulously crafted for ultimate strength and precision.
Every engine is built for maximum speed and reliability. Engine and chassis come together for perfect balance.
Precision bodywork gives the Ninja H2R its aerodynamic edge.
Advanced electronics are installed for total control. High-performance wheels and brakes ensure peak handling. Every engine is tested to deliver the ultimate power. Final inspections ensure every Kawasaki Ninja H2R meets perfection. From factory to racetrack, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is ready to dominate.